Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to rename a device on Spotify. If you got multiple devices on Spotify and want to keep them organized, let me show you how to rename them. First, open Spotify on a mobile device. From here, tap on your profile on the top left and go ahead on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down to Find Devices. Tap on Apps and Devices. Then pick the device you want to rename. On mobile, you might need to log in into the same account on the specific device. Then after you rename your device, from the Edit Device Name option, the name will appear in the Spotify device list. Currently, I don't have that option because my Spotify is not the latest version. And if you also don't see the options here, you can go and first update your Spotify, then again come back on this video. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.